friends, it's Shereé, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my ThreadCrate box for the month of April. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, let's get into it. If you don't already know about ThreadCrate, ThreadCrate is a sewing subscription, and in that subscription, you receive a box every month with a special sewing project, all the materials that you need to create the perfect garment, as well as some additional fun items. So without further ado, let's crack open this box. I'm so excited. Last month, my box came a little bit late in the month, but this month I actually received it yesterday and I've already opened it and taken a peek, and I'm so excited about what's in this box. First things first, look at this awesome shirt. In celebration of the 6-month anniversary for ThreadCrate, Cassandra at ThreadCrate included these awesome t-shirts, and I just think it's so cute, it's so comfortable, and I'm so excited to wear it. All right, so if we open up the box, there is a little information pamphlet, and in this pamphlet, it tells you all about the items that are in the box. I don't want to open and take out all the things in order of what's on this leaflet. I'd rather just go in and show you as I grab things out, okay? All right, so the first thing that's in here is super exciting. It is an electric seam ripper. I have never seen one of these before, but I'm so excited to give it a try. I will tell you that I was seam ripping last night and it was not fun to do, especially at midnight, okay? And I would have benefited if I had read the instructions and tried this out. I know I would have, because I wouldn't have probably been seam ripping as long as I was. So this is a really neat tool to receive, and I'm excited to give this a try. All right, the next thing in here is this little bag, and inside the bag are some goodies. We have thread that will match the fabric that's in the box, and this is Gutermann thread, polyester thread. It's a beautiful blue color. We have our sewing needle, which is usually in this little brown envelope, and it is a ballpoint stretch needle. And the needle is just in here. It's just one single needle. And look at these cute little pins, you guys. The tops of them look like buttons, but the bottom, it's a sewing pin. These are adorable. I love them. And I also like that it matches my thread. Is that weird? And then lastly, we have a pair of tweezers. Now, if you don't know what you use tweezers for in a sewing room, let me tell you. I'm not very good at remembering to use them, but they are a dream when it comes to threading both your sewing machine and your serger. So if you don't have a pair of tweezers in your sewing room, you should get one, because it definitely will make the process of putting that thread through the needle hole a lot easier. All right, what else is in this box? Let's take a look. Oh, okay, we have some Stace tape, which is really great for stabilizing shoulders when you're sewing. I buy this stuff all the time, so I'm glad to have another one. And next in here, we have information about the pattern. So this month's pattern is Sonia Estep Designs. I could be wrong about that, but this is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. This dress, I actually pulled it up online so that I could show you all the versions that you could make. It is very versatile. It is very size inclusive. It goes from a 00 to a size 30, which is amazing. And you can change it up so much. You can have a full length maxi with long sleeves. You can have a full length maxi with short sleeves. See the little sleeves here? Or you can do a knee length with long sleeves or a knee length with short sleeves. I think that's fantastic, especially for those people that prefer a longer dress or prefer a shorter dress. I personally am really into maxi dresses, so I can't wait to make this. And I think that when I make it, I'm going to do the full length with the short sleeves, because ladies, I actually saw pictures of other people's versions online, and I got so inspired. I'm gonna show you a couple of them, and I'll insert some up close pictures as well. But do you see this? Wow, gorgeous. And then I like this one too. Really nice. All right, I'm really excited to make this pattern, and it's called the Catherine. And inside we have the printed pattern, which is fantastic, guys. We don't have to tape up our pattern pieces this month, which is wonderful. And we also have the fabric. Now with ThreadCrate, you get 3 yards of fabric to go with your pattern. And this particular fabric is a modal fabric. Now we received a modal fabric a couple of months ago, and you know what? I love that fabric so much. It is perfect, stretchy jersey fabric. It feels so luxurious on the skin. And I have this really great denim color. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to make my dress out of this wonderful fabric. I actually recently bought some double brush poly the same color, so I've been holding off on cutting it because I just love it so much and I couldn't make a decision on a pattern. But I'm so happy to have more fabric in a little bit lighter weight, soft fabric too, to be able to do 2 different garments and not feel like I wasted my wonderful fabric, because now I have double. I'm so excited to have received this fabric. It's so soft and perfect for spring and summer. Now, that was everything in the box. The cool thing about subscribing to ThreadCrate is that you get a special surprise every single month, a sewing project that you may not have even considered, and I think that's fantastic. Also, this is a woman-owned company, and if you like supporting women-owned businesses, this is one that I definitely think that you should check out. I do want to encourage you to use my affiliate link, which is listed in the information section of this video. By doing that, it helps out my channel. I do receive a small commission on any subscription signed up under my link. Now, I do stand by this company 100%. I actually pay for my subscription. It is not gifted to me, and I also have a discount code. So if you'd like to save yourself 10% on your first box, please be sure to use the code Shereé10 to save yourself 10%. Now, one more thing. If you love the adult ThreadCrate box, I have a wonderful thing to share with you. ThreadCrate is now going to be selling kids subscription box as well as men's subscription box. So if you have a family that you want to sew for, you can do it, friends. And it's so wonderful. There's so many different options for packages. If you don't want to receive all the extra bits and bobs and you just want your pattern, the fabric, and the thread, you can absolutely do that. And it is a smaller kit that costs less than the full kit. And they have that for all 3, the women's box, the men's box, and the children's box, which I think is fantastic. Another thing that they are doing is bundling. So if you'd like to try out all of the patterns or all of the boxes, then you can absolutely do that as well. So I encourage you to check that out. I do want to let you know that pretty soon here, I will be sharing the kids box on my channel because I have 2 sons that I love to sew for, and I'm so thrilled to be testing out ThreadCrate Kids pretty soon here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, have a wonderful weekend. Bye.